So my name's Kelly Dowding. I am mum of Amelia Dowding. This is our house, and the building work was done for Amelia to build her a new bathroom and a bedroom. She was born on Valentine's Day in 2017, and she needed open heart surgery, which led to having respiratory issues, which meant she needed a tracheostomy. So she needs 24-hour care. Currently, before Amelia was sleeping in the living room, so the carers were coming in. It was a bit awkward because they were sitting there and it invaded our space, but it was the only way to get Amelia home. So the Federation stepped in. They put a plan together and started the build, which means Amelia's got her very own bathroom and bedroom, and it means that she's still part of the family, but she's got her own space, and the carers got space to look around her when we're not there. So it just means that she's not in the living room, and it's just easier for us to cope with her day-to-day care.
So the concept of FESA Projects Limited stemmed from the principal, Mike Hopkins, who recognised that the best way forward for a lot of learners and students at the college was to carry out work experience and real work experience.
So it's working as a team all the time now. So like this project was working with the plumbers, moving stuff out the way, making sure that we don't put timber where pipes have got to go. Those are the sort of skills that you just can't learn in college, and those are the skills that they're going to need to know outside in the real world.
It's all invaluable experience really, and can only, make their CV, their personal CV for what they're doing at college, go a long way and improve.
Yeah, so when I started, I knew literally nothing about plumbing. I knew absolutely nothing. As much as they do throw you in straight away, they show you absolutely everything. Show you the ropes, show you the very basics and the most advanced stuff with gas and such. So it wasn't daunting at all. It was quite a straightforward process, really.
This work experience is very useful. It's given me an idea of what it would be like to work on site and work with people that you know and get along with.
So we started by doing the first fix, doing the piping up, piping the radiators, doing the connections from the boiler to the new extension, new room, new installation. So yeah, I've been here from the first day, I think from November. I've been here, so it's been great. Starting from scratch and doing everything until it was finished. So yeah, great. We interact with all the teams here from the college, builders, plumbers, ourselves, and carpenters, and we feel like a big family.
Well, my tutor Pete, he's been a plumber for a long time, so it was nice to see someone who knows what they're doing at work, learning everything I can. That was probably the best thing, but helping out the family as well, that's always nice. That's the best thing about it, really, yeah.
In general, I feel it's been just over half a year into my apprenticeship, but I'm gaining confidence in a light speed, to be honest. I'm working with really fantastic professionals. That they share the knowledge, they treat me like I'm their own as well, and day by day I'm really looking forward to future, and I'm really excited to go to work every day.
So how much has this made a difference to your life?
It's made a real big difference.
That's fine.
Without it, she would still be in the living room. She wouldn't have her own space. Her development, her normal 3-year-old things that 3-year-olds do. She has experience. She's never had her own room before. She's never slept on her own before. She can have baths like normal children. She had a bath for the first time yesterday because she broke her arm, so she had plaster on, so she was so happy just playing in the bath, and it just makes life so much easier.